So this is a voice ticketing software. A voice ticketing. So voice ticket is one of the ticketing software. Okay, it's a open source one. So just I installed this ticketing software in my one of my Linux virtual machine. Okay, the software is running in this machine. I'm accessing it through a web browser. Simple. So these are the tickets. Okay, occurred. So some tickets are resolved. So this is right now open tickets. Some tickets are resolved. So that is in the closed ticket. These tickets we resolved. These tickets we got it from these users. And these tickets are resolved by our service agent and closed by our admin. Okay. So the tickets we got it from these users and closed by these users. Resolved and closed. And certain tickets still open tickets. See these tickets like this. Okay. See this ticket came from Vinod Kumar. This is also from Vinod Kumar. But what is these tickets? These tickets, see it is alert tickets. These alert tickets, I got it from this NAGUS user. Okay. From NAGUS. A monitoring tool. Okay. I received these tickets from a monitoring tool, NAGUS. Alert tickets. This particular system is down. Our service alert is there, so it is immediately send a ticket to them. So this is NAGUS prompt. Okay. So if you see a ticket, so just already one ticket is there. I am going to open this ticket. A normal ticket. So instead of alert ticket, see it is 3 parts. Part 1. So what is the issue is occurred? Simple. Forget my password title and I forget my login password. This is the requirement by user. The user is Vinod Kumar. Okay. So what is his contact details and what source is through web is generated. So what is the type of topic? It is general query as selected. Still open ticket means the ticket is not yet resolved. Still it is open ticket. Priority is normal priority. Support department. Okay, we assigned a ticket to the supporting department. Created date. So when this ticket is occur, when it has to be resolved. It has a 2 days of ticket. Okay, so it is occurred at 6th August. And here it is 8th August is a due time. 8th August is due time. It's around 2.5 hours, years like that it is. Okay. So why it is showing like that? It is, so any issues occur, it should be resolved as fast like that, right? 4 hours, 8 hours is considerable. Why it is like almost like 2 days. Okay. Like 16 hours kind of stuff. It's around 16 hours or 20, more than 24 hours it is ticketed. Okay, why it is showing like that? It is because based on the SLA plan. Depends upon this SLA plan, the ticket is, the time duration is there. Okay. And this is the ticket number. We can give a reply to this user. Just type something and post reply with this reply received by Vinod. Okay. You can post some internal notes. You can change the status of the ticket from closed. Maybe the ticket sometimes it is automatically closed. Okay. You got an issue in your home. For example, a refrigerator is not working, not cooling itself. You call to the service center. Before the person came and it is automatically resolved. So, okay. So sometimes issues will be resolved automatically. Sometimes you need a person to be assisted. Okay. So like that. So whenever if it is issue found and resolved, or maybe it is automatically resolved, but finally it is resolved or not. Once it is resolved, you have to change the status to resolved. And there's 2 options are there, resolved and closed status. Which one you have to put it? If issue is resolved, means from your side, you're a service desk analyst, you try to resolve the issues. It is as per you, issue is resolved. Maybe the client is forget his password. You reset the password and you give an information, that password reset information to the customer, and you change the status to resolved. From your side, you think it is resolved, completed. But there is a final closure. So it is a confirmation from the customer. One customer is given a confirmation. Yes, whatever the password you resetted. So that is working now, fine. No further assistance, no further queries, no further assistance required. Then what we'll do, we close the ticket. So it is a final closure. So as per a technical person, okay, whatever the work is done, it is as he think it is working. So then he change the status to resolve. So once it is a confirmation from the customer given a confirmation, yes, no further queries, my issue is completely resolved. Then it is closed. Okay. So either service desk analyst will go in to close the ticket, or a service desk manager will close the ticket, or level 0 people also can close the ticket. So they will check the basic help desk people or level 0 people. They'll do a query like, so you given with this kind of issues. Is it resolved or not? Yes, it is resolved. No, any queries? Yes. How you, that's it. You close the ticket. The closed ticket can be any one person. Okay. This is assignment. Reassign. So you received a ticket, it is assigned to you, or maybe it is you want to reassign this ticket to any other agent or a team members, or you can want to take yourself and you want to do investigate and you want to resolve it. That is assignment. This is transfer. You can transfer ticket to the different departments. For example, you received a ticket, and you are a system administrator, for example, but you received a ticket that is content is networking related. But initially it is look like it is by heading, it is look like it is a server related, but it is actually network related issue. So once you understand it is a network related issue, you note down this internal notes. This is look like a network server related, networking related. I have already checked the server kind of stuff. Okay, nothing to do. So this is the issue what we found from the user, and then you can transfer to that particular networking department. Okay. Also, you can transfer the ticket to higher level, means escalate the ticket in case ticket is initially look as a small ticket. Normal level ticket it is, normal priority ticket. Normal ticket means it is what I said. Your level of expertise means your technical knowledge, experience, okay, and your permissions, your allowed access permissions are having limited. So you, as L1 position, initial as a fresher, you can't access server kind of stuff. So you have to you can't access server and you can log in server and creating user password, you can't do it. So you have to escalate ticket, higher level people do it. So that department you can escalate it. Print the tickets along with every information, edit the ticket and other information, change of owner, merge ticket. You can combine multiple tickets together and create a one single ticket, link the tickets, mark as answer, change referrals. Okay, like this. Delete the ticket. Ticket is unnecessarily created, no longer required to do it. Nothing is there. So you can delete the ticket also. This is how the ticket is look like. A sample ticket. And already I shared one video yesterday, guys. That is also the person showed at least some tickets, right? Live ticket also there, I think. So I didn't watch that video, just when there are explaining. So just to be given to them. Okay. But you should check it and find out. If you didn't watch the yesterday video, that is which is I shared, at least try today. Okay, and find out what is the ticket, types of ticket, and how the tickets in run. This is voice ticket. They use Freshworks. Tools are different. Options are little different, but process is always same. Okay. So this is a sample ticket, guys. So tomorrow we'll see how to raise the ticket, how ticket communication is there. Like last we have done that one. This is tickets are created and the tickets are resolved, how they communicate each other. That is also we'll see. Hmm. Understand, guys? So how what's the ticket like that?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Good. Very good. So, but how many people knows everything, right? That's the problem. So I'm a system administrator. Did I know everything? Every time I do correctly, I can also do mistakes. Okay. So maybe possibility is there. So what we do, as I said, guys, whenever you receive a ticket, you have to resolve it or fulfill the user request by the given due time or a resolution time, right? If you don't do it, it is SLA violation. Why are unable to do it? The question is, here some people ask this question. If you are unable to fulfill it, what will happen? Okay, we are unable to perform well, what will happen? But these big companies, mainly these big companies, what they do it, their point is they don't want to check that whether you are succeeded or failure point. The work is assigned to you and that work should be completed, successfully completed. It's not a testing ground. It's not a cash and mount kind of stuff also. It's not like that you're there, whether you are succeeded, if you are not succeeded, we'll take revenge on you. It's not a point. This is small companies are maybe it is there because they want to show something to you. But here it is, organization, the first thought is, what are the work is I assign to my employees so that work has to be complete successfully without any mistakes or miscommunications. The outcome of work should be proper. So what these companies will do, they create SOPs, standard operating procedures. Standard operating procedures. For example, a task is assigned to you. You have to update the remote server. How to do it? It's a simple update only. Again, you have to follow the SOPs. Okay. We'll try this one. So this is the first time also I'm trying for this specific SOP. SOP for update the remote Windows remote Windows server 2025 or 2020. Okay. So it is SOP. They given some steps. See, it is step by wise. But actually, it is not generating personal SOP part, but this is, we can do it. It's a explanation it is given, but you go to the chat GPT, so it will give you the step-by-step SOP document. Okay. So what it is? Preparation and scheduling, schedule and maintenance windows, notify stakeholders, confirm remote access, okay, backup critical data, check server health. So first is First step is preparation scheduling. When you want to when you want to update your server. Okay, when you want to update a server. So first of all, you have to, this is the time you want to update server. So if you are updating server, this service disturbance is also there. So server you are updating, server-based services also affected. So you have to notify those who are accessing their services to your clients. You have to notify that from this time to this time, the update is going on. So it may be affect on the services. Okay, please apologize for inconvenience, something like that. Okay, sorry for your inconvenience kind of stuff. Confirm remote access. How you are, it is a remote server, it is. Not in my direct physically accessing server. It's in the server room. I am connecting from my network. So how I am accessing it? So through PowerShell I am accessing, a remote desktop I am accessing, or maybe another tool like a remote administrator tool I am accessing. Okay, so how we are accessing. When you are updating, there is a possibility of loss of data is also occur. So better to back up your data in the server. Okay, so make sure it is the primary checking server health is there or not. Connect the server. So next is, once you have done these things, then connect the server. Okay. Next is, you go to the perform the updates. So it's generally it is showing these updates using a go to settings, update and security, update, check for update button, and wait for the checking updates. It will shows different updates, like Windows 10, Windows 10, Windows 11 updates. It shows what are the updates are available. So it will download those updates, ask for install, just install the updates. Once updates are completed, so verify all the new updates are completed, restart the system, make sure it is update is completed and working fine. Like post updated, monitor installation process, restart the server, verify the server health. Is recent updates affected on the server performance or not? So it is everything good, then confirm access, generate update. What are the things you are get updated? Like that. Okay. Additional remote update methods. So other than this, so different other methods are there. In a originally this is simple method they are giving. That is also a very good method. In a organization, they use SCCM or this Intunes kind of tools, MDM. So they use these tools, SCCM tools to end pointer connectors. It is used to connect the server and update and control the updates. This is direct connecting to the server and updating. So we have a WSUS server, Windows Server Update Services. Using that Windows Server Update Services or SCCM applications, we connect remote servers and update it. Just for a SOP. I have other SOPs also there. So this is other SOPs. In this document, I have a issue related SOPs, not task related, issue related. Then some are task related also there. So users are unable to print. This is the issue. User unable to print. So this is the incident. Issue means it is the incident. What is the SOP? It is step by step. So it is an explanation about your issue. And who is the user? Who is the IT support? Who is the partner? What is the IT support will do? What is the user has to do? IT support responsible following SOP to resolve the printing issues. User responsible reporting an issue. User has to report first, right? And providing necessary information, also user responsibility. First step, contact the user, gather information, any detailed description about the user, what is the printer model, what error messages, okay, like that, what LED status, like that. So gather the necessary information. Checking the connectivity, ask user to check the connectivity, so physical, how it is connected, the way it is connected, you check the connectivities, power connectivity, data cable connectivity, network connectivity, just check that. And try to do some basic checking, like check the printer status, online or offline, check the printer queues, remove the printer queue content, restarting the printer and the laptop, devices. Okay, check the drivers issues, network connectivity issue, printer setting issues. You see, this is step-by-step solution. If issue is not resolved, escalation. How to, so there is two escalation, internal escalation, external escalations. Internal means in your organization only higher team members from L1 to L2 type. External means manufacturer or other that's product related people. Testing, printing, feedbacks, finally close at the tickets. Okay. So these are this is a SOP document. So I got some a sample issues, around 30 issues. Okay. Then I created a SOP incident report from here. Okay. See, step by step. Okay. So what is SOP? Standard operating procedure is a set of step by step instructions compiled by organization to help workers carry out complex routine operations. So you have to do a task. So already I told you, so like you have to update a server, how to do it. So I give a document, SOP document. What are the first thing you have to do? Second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So once you are keep doing the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, like that. Once you are completed all the steps, your task is completed. So what is the use of this SOP providing? You should have a knowledge. Why should I provide a document? How to do it? Okay. Why should I provide? So it will avoid the miscommunications. It avoids the miscommunications. It avoids failures. Okay. It improves the performance, outcome performance. I like this word, guys. That is uniformity of performance. For example, I'm a senior. I got a 5 years of experience. And there's some junior, he got a 2 years or 3 years of experience. The same task is assigned to both. Both are doing work. As per my experience and expertise, I will do the work, guarantee it is. But compared to the user, maybe he got some failure, some not a proper success, but I will get definitely it is because I'm having higher experience. Company don't want to see whether you are experienced, non-experienced candidate. That's a secondary point. But point is, if I assign a task to the people, the task should be completed successfully. Okay, no feedback, no feedbacks. Okay, no fire. So uniformity of performance. It is whether you are doing it or I am doing it. The outcome must be same. Good quality output, no failures. That is important. That's why bigger organizations, when you are working in a bigger organization, what is the advantage? They are providing SOPs. To do any task, to troubleshoot any issues, they provide SOP, standard operating procedures. Okay, SOP. So you got an issue, or you have to do some request fulfillment, or you have to troubleshoot an issues. What you have to do? Follow the SOP. Okay, that's the point. Okay, so but you must know the basic idea of things like networking, hardware, okay, basics of servers, and basic troubleshooting things also, because problem solving skills, troubleshooting skills are important here for this position. Okay, you should understand the basic troubleshooting. Of course, we are going to learn those things, okay, but you should understand the basics. If internet is not working, what to do? If two systems are not communicating, what to do? System is not running, what to do? System is slow, what to do? You got BSOD, what to do? Keyboard is not working, what to do? Mouse is not working, what to do? Printer is unable to access, what to do? Okay, so internet is not connecting, what to do? Internet is not working, what to do? Internet is not connecting to what to do. Okay, like this, there is a several type of basic troubleshooting things are there. Compulsory, you must know it. Of course, we are going to see, as well as you can also try to find it. The next one is KEDB, known error database. known error database. In the known error database, 2 points are there, guys. 2 points. One is an issue is occurred in organization. There is an issue is occurred. Right now, this issue solution is finding of issue solutions. Different solutions, suggested solutions are there. You try to find a solution. So that is right now running issue. Running issue. Open issue it is. Okay. We put that open issue into a database. So what is the issues occur? What are the probable cause of these issues? What kind of solutions? What are the most plausible solutions are there? So it is a running issue related information. Those who are working on an issue, they'll post this is the issue. So then try to do this one solution. Or this solution we are trying, we'll wait for the output. Like that, there is a discussion kind of stuff. So this is it's a live running issue discussion. So that is one part of KEDB, known error database. Second, you are working in an organization. So you receive a different type of issues. You try different type of solutions. Some are working solutions. Once you have tried a solution and it is working, and you put this information into a document. So that document save into this KED. So what happened? Even you join an organization, either with as a fresher or an experience also. This is a SOP, KEDB, not only for fresher guys. Even though you are having 5 years experience, following SOP and KEDB is very important in the organization. Okay, known error database. Again, what is second part of known error database? As said, just what I'm trying to say, it is already occurred issues. They're working solutions. Some people will know this one, Stack Overflow kind of stuff. Stack Overflow kind of stuff. Okay, so for example, you post some code related issue or maybe some application related issues. For example, I put a TNS listener. Yeah. It's a Oracle database, remote server Oracle database. I want to connect it from my system. I'm getting this TNS listener error. This is called stack workflows. If anyone is having an issues, not only their main company website, also they're putting into the stack workflow. They placed an issue in this one. So 107 members voted this issue they're also getting. And different people providing solutions under it. See, so different people providing solutions. This is most possible working solutions. So 106 members voted for this solution because this is for them, it is working. Not only 106, more than that, some are voted. Okay, so this is most possible working solution. The KDB is also similar document. What is an issue? What is the possible working issue? Based on what is the probable causes, what is the suitable solutions. Okay, and also you will get to know once you join an organization as a fresher or an experience. Go through this KEDB document, understand what are the most possible issues or occurs. Most possible issues. So then you'll understand what are the issues or occur. So what kind of solutions are there? We can understand. Second is, you got an issue, then you don't know how to resolve it, then check it in the KEDB. You find the solution and do the solutions. Sometimes in organization, they add both SOPs and KEDBs combined and they call this knowledge bases. Combinedly, SOP and KEDB, they combine and call it as knowledge bases, SOP or KEDBs. Depends upon organization. Some organizations treat SOP and KEDB separately. Some organizations only KEDBs for running live issues only. But both are there. Okay. So what we discussed, SOP, KEDB, known error database. The thing is, it is troubleshooting model. Third point, troubleshooting model. Guys, you got SOPs. You got an issue, any issue you got it. You use either SOPs or KEDBs. Or maybe the issue is not in your SOP or KEDB, or your organization not providing any issue related documents like SOP, KEDB documents are not given. It's available or not available. You should follow this troubleshooting model. This model having 6 steps. This model I taken from ComSci A plus textbooks. Okay, 6 model. You try this. What are the troubleshooting models? Some different places, different models may be shown. I have taken a standard textbook called ComSci A plus course textbook. ComSci is a company. A plus is course. Okay, hardware related steps. Okay. The first step is identify the problem. So you want to resolve any issues, first you should know what is the issue. You want to resolve any issues, you should identify what is the issue. Establish probable cause. First you should know what is an issue. Why this issue is occur? What are the probable causes? What are the probable causes? We'll take some example like you're going to office. Suddenly bike is stop working. Bike is stop working. Right? Suddenly bike is stop working. What is the cause? Battery problem, petrol problem. Okay, we don't know. So what causing? Petrol is not there. Batteries become weaker. We don't know. So that's what is the established probable causes. Or ignition kind of problem. Or maybe any internal damages. Okay. Or maybe some neutral lock. Okay. So, or maybe a sensor problem. We don't know. So what is the probable cause? So different causes, different type of solutions. What is the suitable cause? So test the theory. What is the suitable cause for this issue? Check the suitable cause. What is find out the suitable solution, theoretical solution. బయటకు వెళ్దాం నిన్న ఒక బిస్కెట్ తెచ్చాను సాల్ట్ బిస్కెట్ అయితే okay, sorry guys. Test theory. Test theory means what is the issue? What is the probable cause of this issue? So if this causing the issue, what is the working solutions? So if I do like this, test the theory means if I try this solution, issue is going to be resolved or not. So we have to think, right? So what is this? We don't try solution directly, but we have to think a solution. So if I do this solution, issue will be resolved or not. Let's just test the theory. Okay. Next, establish plan and implement solution. So you find what is a suitable solution for this issue. Then you plan how to implement this solution. Then implement the solution. Once you implement the solution, verify the fix. Is working or not? It's working, for example. Then we try to do preventive measures. Why we should do preventive measures? So then issue may not occur again and again. So once you are done preventive measures, then you have to document finding. Okay. If issue is not fixed, then what to do? We'll try another solution. Okay, like that. So document finding. So what's in the document? What is document finding? What is in the document? What is the issue? What is the issue? Okay. What causing this issue? You establish different probable causes, but some might it is one or two causes, right? So either one or more, right? So what is the probable cause? Then what solution you tried? What solution you try to resolve the issue? After trying solution, what is the result? It's working? Yes. What preventive measures you have taken so then issue is not repeated. So those things should be in the document. In document, what is an issue? What causing an issue? What is the solution you are implemented? Okay. And what are the preventive measures you have taken so then issue is not repeated. And this helps to create SOPs or it helps to update yes, existing SOPs also the documenting. Okay. So this is troubleshooting matter. Yes, you receive any issues or any request fulfillment, or maybe you have to do certain tasks like a creating a virtual machine or a transferring data, or you have to take a backup, or maybe you have to update a new system. Okay, or maybe you have to create a change the password, or you want to provide a permission to user. Okay, for example, I want a VPN access. VPN access not given to everyone. Okay, in the organization, not given to everyone. I came usually Monday to Friday, I came to office most of the time. Okay, so I don't need a VPN to connect my servers. So I don't require VPN. For example, I want to do work from home. So then I may need a VPN. Why do I need a VPN? If I need to access any servers in the office, then I need a VPN connected. I don't require all my documents in the online only. My YouTube is online, internet through access all these documents. I'm accessing through internet only. It's not in the my office. It's in the Google, right? Microsoft Teams, online only. No need to connect to office network. If I do certain tasks, so then I should connect it to my office network. Then I need a VPN. Okay. So now I request a VPN access to my service desk. So what they have to do is assign to a desktop support engineer or network engineer or security engineer. Let's use they take a ticket and see what is this user required VPN access. They want a VPN connectivity. So then follow the SOP. First check. Is the user is in the VPN access list or not? Is user is allowed to connect through VPN or not? Yes. User are allowed to connect to VPN. Then what they do, they connect my laptop through remotely and install the VPN clients, configure VPN client in my laptop and check the connectivity. Once you are and I am able to connected, yes, very good. I'm able to connect it. So then confirm that working. For example, I check it as standard processor as a SOP. I check the user is allowed to connect through VPN or not. VPN access is enabled or not. It's showing no. Means we can't provide VPN access. But it is user requested as I need a compulsory, maybe this is earlier not available, but now it is required to connect the servers. Required to connect the office network and I should access to a specific server. Storage devices or network kind of stuff. Then we have to go with the review. Okay, so it is going to the permission set. So is this user requested? Not in the list. Check with IT manager, HR manager, based on the user profile. This is allowed to connect it, right? So if it is allowed to connect it, once it is information we got it, then we follow adding the user to VPN access server. Then we provide a VPN connectivity to the user. See, these are steps only, guys. Any task you perform, follow the SOPs if organization is provided. If you want to resolve any issues, follow the SOP or KEDB to resolve an issue. Okay, whether you are having SOP, KEDB or not, follow the troubleshooting model to troubleshoot any kind of issues. Like identify the issues, establish probable cause, test the theory, establish plan and implement solution, verify the fix, do preventive measures and document finding. So these are the troubleshooting. Okay. This part we'll discuss tomorrow along with some demo. Okay. And that is the point. Guys, understand up to here what we discuss? SOPs, KEDBs, troubleshooting models.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Very good. So in the tickets, why I told that my story, because when you hear the SLA violation, so you follow SOPs, KEDBs. When you receive any issue or a request fulfillment, follow the SOPs are given to you and complete the task. Then no need of worry about SLA violations. But still, there is a possibility. So 99% okay, but what is about 1%? We'll see. I will give you one example, just I needed 10 minutes. Okay. Then we'll complete this part. Okay. So morning, 9 o'clock, for example, I receive a ticket. 9 o'clock, I received a ticket. It is 8 hours ticket. Okay. 8 hours is best example, explanation, 8 hours ticket. Okay. It is example, 8 hours ticket. And when it is has to be resolved, maybe 5 o'clock, 8 hours. It has to be resolved by 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock is 9 hours. So 5 o'clock is a last time. So you have to resolve it by 5 o'clock. So you started at 10 o'clock, you've given a response, and then you started working on this ticket at 10 o'clock, and you completed by 12 o'clock. Then it is good. See, before time's up, you are completed. That is good thing. Okay. So you have to resolve it by 5 o'clock. So you received a ticket at 3 o'clock or maybe at 4 o'clock. So 1 hour. Normally, that type of time tickets won't be assigned to you. Okay, this type of tickets won't assign. But what if you got a ticket? This look like a smaller. You thought you will complete by half an hour, but it is 5 o'clock already. 5 o'clock, your office time is completed. You have to leave your home, right? Leave to your home, or maybe 6 o'clock. At least you have to leave. 4 o'clock, you received a ticket. So lunch break is there. So your time is 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, you are going to home. Got 8 hours time, then you sit at 4 o'clock. Again, we'll do it another 4 hours work. We don't do it. 6 o'clock, we should leave. You have to come on the time, you should leave on the time. 5 minutes plus or minus, that is different point. Okay. Sometimes work is prolonged, so 6 to become 6:30. Sometimes okay, sometimes not okay. You should leave by that time. Why? Next shift people will come. You should leave at 6 because of 6 o'clock. Other shift people also come. Right? Of course, nowadays we are using these laptops. So that's one flexibility is there, but as well as some kind of hours also. Okay. So after 6, you should compulsory go out. You got at 4 and 6 o'clock, you have to leave. Yet you thought you will be resolved by half an hour and maximum by 1 hour, but 6 o'clock is completed. So still you got a 6 hours time. What to do? What to do? So there is few options. You can transfer the ticket to the next member. You can do a transfer the ticket to the next member. Same ticket. You have to specify all the details in the ticket. So what is the issue? What is the your observations? What are the things you have done till now? So what is the work you have done? That work information also you have to specify the ticket and transfer the ticket to other member who is working on the next shift, who is available in the next shift. Okay, some people come at 4 o'clock, another shift members, and so you can transfer it. Before you transfer, you have to specify why you are transferring the ticket. Okay, this is one way of transferring ticket. I'm mixing little bit three things. Okay. Where are we? Again, we'll go back once. You received a ticket at 9 o'clock because that's your day started. You received a ticket at, for example, you received a ticket at 10 o'clock. Your day started at 9. You received a ticket at 9 o'clock. Your time is that the ticket time is 8 hours, means 6 o'clock is your time. Okay, you got 8 hours. So 6 o'clock is logout time. Before 6 o'clock, you can complete. So there is no problem. Right? 10 o'clock you received it, 6 o'clock is your end time. That is where your logout time. So we can able to complete it. 8 hours time. If you complete by 6 o'clock, great. Sometimes, sometimes, as I said, VPN access example, right? So you got ticket at 10 o'clock. It has to be completed by 6 o'clock. Okay. And you should also leave by 6 o'clock. Okay. Sometimes. So 11 o'clock, you see the ticket and then you send that information to other team for backend verification. Means you forward the ticket to your HR and IT manager. This particular user asking for VPN access is allowed to connect VPN or not as per the list of VPN access user list. His name is not there. So please add this, verify the user and add the user to the VPN access list so then I can provide it. Please inform us. That's a ticket. You are link other members in it. Those people has to be verified and provide the information to you. Once they given a reply to you, yes, this user new join, that's why name is missing. So user is added to the VPN access list. So now the user can able to connect it through VPN. So then we take it and we complete the task. Okay. Maybe you got a reply at 1 o'clock. You completed by 2 o'clock. Completion is good always, right? But there is a problem. Sometimes these people are not responding. They're also busy. They're also working on different things, right? So they didn't respond. 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. They didn't respond. They respond at 7 o'clock. So forget about your timing, okay? Just a sample understanding purpose, I'm telling this. They respond at 7 o'clock. So this is, okay, your user is allowed to access VPN and 7 o'clock they responded. By the time your time is up, you got a ticket at 10, it should be completed by 6, but you receive reply at 7 o'clock and you complete this ticket by 8 o'clock. It means already 2 hours delay, SLA violation. What to do? If there is a proper reason is there, no? If you are lazy, if you are not working, if you don't know, you just spend your more time on your mobile phone selfies and maybe that's because of yourself, you are delaying it. Then there is a we can agree. But now it's not yours. Someone has to complete it. You send a request at 12 o'clock. That's what is the status. 1 o'clock, what is the status? 4 o'clock, what is status? 5 o'clock, what is the status? 6 o'clock, what is the status? So you keep on asking what is status. Please provide information on this particular thing. But they didn't respond. They responded at 7. But you have completed the task. But why it is delay? If it is delay, then it is SLA violation. But you are not direct responsible. Then what to do? You have to specify that scenario. One solution is you have to specify why the ticket is overdue. So you are waited for the confirmation from other team members. So we didn't receive by the given time. So we received the confirmation from other team members, the specific team members. So then I I resolve the ticket afterwards, completed. Task is complete. This is like you have to note down on the tickets. It is so and so reason the ticket is got delayed. So it will went for verification for your services manager, project manager, team leaders. They will go with the verification. They understand where is the delays occur. So it is not completely not on you as SLA violation. It's SLA violation only, but you are already informed that is the one. Okay, so this is one way. Okay, what to do if any SLA violation is occurred. Another method is also there, guys. That is called holding. Ticket holding method. What is ticket holding? So you got a ticket at 10, but you are send verification at 11. At 12 o'clock, you are send a request to the team so they can able to complete it. Once they complete, you can do it. To send at 1 o'clock also, yes, please, what is the status of this we accessing VPN access? What is the status? 1 o'clock also. So what you have done, you hold the ticket at 1 o'clock. Then your time, what is running here is stopped. So ticket occurs at 10, then 11 means 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So 3 hours of ticket is completed. 5 hours left. 5 hours are left. But you hold the ticket at 1 o'clock means 3 hours completed. So then you hold the ticket. Now what happened? So you are waited and sending keep responses, right? You're sending requests. Okay, you sending keep requests, but they respond at 7 o'clock. Actually, not before 7 o'clock only. They responded. Then what you do? You given a response at 7 o'clock, then you unhold the ticket. Resume kind of stuff. Okay, holding, resuming, pausing, hold, pause, hold or pause, resume or unhold. You unhold the ticket or resume the ticket at 7 o'clock and you resolve by 8 o'clock. So within 1 hour, you resolve it. You know how many hours before SLA violation occur, you resolved it. So this is 3 hours and this is 1 hour. Okay, so 4 hours you spend on this ticket and before 4 hours means actually total 8 hours. So you are complete the ticket by 4 hours only. Still you are having 4 more hours. Why? Because you are holding the ticket, the time clock is stopped. You can unload it. This holding ticket also you can do in another scenario. Just before I told one thing, that is transferring ticket wise also. Okay. To avoid this SLA violation, sometimes you are not directly involved in the ticket. So sometimes you are not all in response. Something you have to be done by some other team, but it is keep on delaying. So what you do, you can hold the ticket. This holding ticket is purely optional. That to certain service ticket, software support holding ticket. Some are not supporting holding ticket. That's also important. Hmm. Okay. Holding ticket. Just before I told one scenario, that is 6 o'clock is your have to go to office, but you got the ticket at 4 o'clock. Okay, so it is 8 hours ticket. Means 4 o'clock you got a ticket. Means 4 plus 8, 12 o'clock. Midnight 12 o'clock. That's a due time. So what happened? Okay, so but by 6 o'clock issue is not resolved. Can you able to go and sit for another 2-3 hours or 4 hours? You don't do it because that's the time. It's 6 o'clock completed. Log out. Okay, that's the point. For example, now what to do? So you will hold the ticket. Yours already completed, then you hold the ticket and you have to do that one. There is no next team members. You have to complete it. You have to complete it. So next morning, 9 o'clock you came, then 9 o'clock you unfold the ticket and continue. So you got a 6 hours, 6 more hours, then complete the remaining task. In case you have to complete it. So not you are not direct responsible. You are not only one. So there is a next team members can do it. So they can do it by. So then issue is resolved. Or this. So this method also depends upon organization. Organization follow this rule, right? That is morning to evening support only, not 24/7 support. Okay, 8 hours support per day, 5 days a week. And what you will do? Okay, so what we will do is follow SOP, whether we hold the ticket. Okay, this is about SLA violation, holding the ticket. Last 2 points are there, guys. One is escalation. Transfer I told, but again I will tell transfer. Escalation. We know escalation, that's why I told escalation first. You are working on some ticket, maybe request fulfillment or maybe a instant ticket or a service request ticket you are handling. Maybe you are resolving issues. Instant means resolving issues. Service request means you are fulfilling user request. You got the ticket. Your position is right now L1. Service desk level is L1. You're trying to resolve it, but it is not completed. So it is not completed, not resolved, not fulfilled. So maybe there is required more higher technical knowledge. So what you do, you'll escalate that to the higher technical, to L2 or L3 directly, will escalate it. Okay. Usually I have one story, but right now it is already 6, 7. Okay. So we'll see that. Next is transferring ticket. Already I told transferring ticket. So for example, you got a ticket, but right now you are unable to fulfill the ticket. You are already open and trying, but right now your time's up. Or maybe you have to go outside. Maybe you got some different engagement, means maybe in your office some other busy works are there. Maybe you have to go outside of your office. Okay. So you're busy. So you can't able to handle the ticket right now. You can handle it, but you can't able to handle because of there's some time or some busy, some issue is there. So what to do? You can transfer the ticket to other person. While transferring the ticket, first you have to go to that other person. Is available or not? Is he can able to handle this ticket or not? Is he able to handle this ticket or not? Check it. Is available or not? Is can able to handle this ticket right now or not? If he said okay, transfer the ticket, then we can transfer ticket to this person. Okay, transfer the ticket to another person. Both are in same level. That is one scenario. Second one is you received a ticket. The tickets look a different technical thing, but look like your own technical department ticket, but it is not your technical one. So it is there's some other technical, like a network administrator has to be handled, or security administrator has to be handled. Okay, or emails administrator has to be handled. It's not your ticket. It's look like your ticket. It's like your technical background ticket, but it's not. It's a specific technical background people. So then also you can transfer to them. But when you're transferring your ticket to other person, anytime you're transferring ticket to another person or other team you are sharing, you have to specify why you are transferring the ticket. Okay, this is that. I'm adding a personal point, guys. It's like a not personal story, it's a personal point I want to add it. Be careful when you are working in an organization, any organization. People are doing these mistakes generally, but when you are doing, when you become a you're at the time of freshers, a little experienced people. What is that? So we join an organization, we make a friends, right? We become friends in the organization. What we do, you got some, like your friend got some urgent work outside. His girlfriend is waiting, or maybe has to, his own personal friends are waiting outside. Okay. So going out. So what he has done, he told you that log into my account. Any tickets you got it, just give some responses and try to resolve if possible. Meanwhile, I will come back in a 1 hour. But what you done, because you are a friend, so you try to help your friend. You log into his account, and you are also logged into your account, and you are logged into his friend account. Okay. And you are checking what tickets and also doing some responses. Try to find a solution and give the solutions to the your customer. If everything is fine and okay, no problem, then no problem. Okay. But what happened here? What are the work you are doing is double work, and other person is not at all doing. Sometimes are okay, sometimes not. Don't do it. Max to max, don't try to do this thing. Okay. So why it is? I told. Guys, if you done a mistake in your friend ticket, okay, then it will go for review. Then they will ask who's done this one. The ticket assigned name is your friend's name, but who's done that one? You done it. So then the big question: why you are accessing your friend's account? So it is a credential theft. So maybe your friend is shared a credential, but you are taking the credential, so it is still credential theft. So then company will take a serious action against both. Okay. Sometimes nothing will happen. Sometimes they will take an action. So be careful in organization, guys. That's why I said it's my personal point. So you go to office, take your swiping card, your thumb impression, login, use your login accounts, your file access. Okay. Friends are there. Just you can help them just when they need it, but not like this. Check your friends is very lazy, then definitely don't give any chance to him. Okay. Sacrificing is nothing. That's not a sacrificing, it's wasting your time and their time also. Okay. Carrying your friend's swiping card along with your swiping card. Okay. Transferring, instead of transferring, accessing friend's account and resolving, saving friends kind of stuff is not a good idea, guys. Every work is monitored. Every work is monitored. How many people doing what tasks they are doing, how many tasks you are completed today, how many tasks you are completed in this week, how many what tasks you are completed by month, by year, a quarter, by year. Like that, they will take a key performance indicator. So then, based on that, whether they will take into the permanent, or maybe they are taking into what we say promotions, salary increments, everything is measured. Okay, that's the point of ticket escalation, transfer, ticket holding, SLA violations. So what are the things are left? Nothing, just only this part left. Types of service desk. After that one, this statement. So tomorrow we're going to see these terminologies and small demo. We'll see tomorrow. So the class usually at 2:30 only. Okay, that's the part. Any questions, doubts, understand anything? Hmm? Okay. So we'll